Well, the thing that counters violence is that if people feel that they're connected to one another, if people feel that they have really something they can contribute, that they're valued. And Whanaungatanga, that's a key thing that it does. Manaakitanga is all about that. And so it's about practicing those things more. You know, caring for one another, serving each other. When you are connected to your marae, you really serve your hapu. Nobody pays you for doing it. But in serving and in doing that, those are the things that actually counter the fragmentation, the isolation, because you think of more than yourself. Because I guess violence occurs when there is isolation, when there's fragmentation, when people feel that they are alone, that nobody actually gives a stuff about who they are or what they want to do. And that not only violence, but all kinds of things that are symptomatic of that loneliness, of that loss occur, such as addictions or whatever else. But when you feel part of a community that is vibrant, that cares about you, that cares about your children, who you are, what you're doing, where you matter, and that's what Whanaungatanga is about. You matter because you're part of my whakapapa. I care for you. I have an obligation to do those things. Once we practice those things, as we do naturally, then that will counter violence. Within our tikanga, violence is not part of our tikanga. That's not part of whakatohiatanga. To be whakatohia, you don't go around killing your children or other people's or bashing your partner. That is not part of our culture. And so it's about dispelling that illusion for our people, because there has been, 2-3 generations where families have seen, oh yeah, it's okay to hit your wife or hit your kids or bash them. But in fact, that's an imposter tikanga that doesn't belong to us. That's not part of whakatohiatanga. But because they don't know the stories of old, because those things have not been handed down or modelled to them through their upbringing or life, then it is really difficult to think, well, what is the way? What is the real way? The authentic way to be, to live?